Right to Education Act of India ensures free education till class 10 for every child in the country. In Karnataka alone, we have 48,000 government schools. 4,000 of those are high schools. For these students graduating out of these 4,000 government high schools, we have only 900 government pre-university colleges. Statistically, one college for every 5 government schools, or almost 80% of these students have to get themselves admitted to private colleges and pay unaffordable college fees. The name Niswartha in Kannada means selflessness. The founders of this foundation have named this as Niswartha Foundation to ensure selfless service to the society.
This foundation is really working towards the education and for the upliftment of those who really need this in this country.
We from Niswartha Foundation visit government schools to handpick students who are academically brilliant but economically challenged, taking inputs from the teachers and their past performances. House visits help us to screen their economic status before inducting them into our foundation.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭವಾನಿ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಗ್ರಾಮಾಂತರ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಬ್ಬಗೋಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 85% ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ನಾನು ಹೂ ಮಾರುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಕಾರಣ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಓದಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ನನ್ನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಧನ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿತು.
I am Nagesh from Holiralli. I lost my father when I was 8 months baby. My mother is farm worker. I studied SLC in government high school Sametanahalli. From childhood I want to become a doctor and my dreams comes true because of Niswartha Foundation helped me. And now I am doing my second year MBBS in Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. And my ambition is to serve the poor people in remote area where there are no medical facilities are available. And I am grateful to Niswartha Foundation.
In addition to the unaffordable college fees, students at this age are under pressure to get married off, especially girls, and the boys are forced to earn the bread for the family. All these has led to higher dropout rate in the colleges. Students who are naturally gifted with high IQ are unfortunately snubbed off their education during this period.
Mentoring forms the key activity of Niswartha Foundation in achieving its mission. Each student is assigned a mentor who remains in constant touch with the student to monitor their academic progress and help them maximize their potential and develop their skills.
I am Anusha. Basically, I am from very poor background. I studied my 10th standard in government high school. After that, going to college and further study, it was just like a dream for me. Then Niswartha Foundation came to my school. They selected me. And my aim is to become chartered accountant. Presently, I am doing BCom and CA. I am really thankful to Niswartha Foundation for giving me financial strength to achieve my goal.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಜಗದೀಶ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ. ಇಂದು ಅನೇಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಓದುವ ಆಸೆ, ಕಲಿಯುವ ಹಂಬಲ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇವಲ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಪಾಡಿಗಾಗಿ ಬಾಲಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮನಗಂಡು ಕೇವಲ ಆ ಬಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಹಸ್ತ ನೀಡಲೆಂದೇ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವಾಗಿರುವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್.
It's a pleasure to be associated with Niswartha Foundation for the past couple of years. The association has been sponsoring education to rural students. The students are doing quite well. It is our joy that many of our students sponsored by Niswartha Foundation have grown up to be very successful people around the corporate world. Thank the foundation for their human service. Thank you.
I am very happy to tell you that this foundation is growing by leaps and bounds with the blessings of so many corporates where we connect to them and we urge them to contribute wholeheartedly to this momentum, and I'm sure it has a very bright future.
Please join hands with Niswartha Foundation and help us enable many more students to pursue their higher education. Thank you.